Hi, it's Adriano here from BRZ Food, and today we're going to cook a whole chicken. The first step is to find a good scissors and cut the chicken spine. Turn it over and flat the chicken. Now we're going to season with extra mojo. Flip over and season the other side. Now straight to barbecue, indirect heat at 200 degrees Celsius. It's been an hour and a half. Chicken is nearly done. Just before we take it off, let's melt some butters and just base it off. We cook for another 5 minutes and the internal temperature is 74 degrees Celsius. Let's take it off and cut it.